Okay, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at our first episode on equations. And the difference between an equation and an expression is that an equation has an equals sign as well as having various terms and operators, whereas an expression does not. Now, our first question here is determine which of the following are equations. So let's look at them quickly. So for A, we have 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Now obviously we can see that we have some operators in the form of the plus, we have some numbers or some terms in the form of the 8 and the 3, but we also have this equals sign. So for this particular one here, this is an equation. And what it's saying here is that this left hand side is equal to this right hand side, that these two expressions are equal. That's basically what an equation is. For B, we have 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Alright, so because we have two expressions and they are being said to be equal, this is an equation. For C, we have 10m minus 6. Now this is not being said to be equal to anything, and so this is an expression. And finally we have D, so we have 12n minus 9 is equal to 24, and because we have two expressions, one on each side, and they're said to be equal to one another, this is an equation. Alright, here are a couple for you to practice, so just pause the video, give them a go, and I will solve them in just a moment. Alright, let's get started. So, we're trying to determine which one of these is an equation and which ones are not. So let's look at A. We have 10 minus 3 times 3. Now, this isn't being said to be equal to anything, it's a single expression, so it's not an equation. For B, we have 20 is equal to 4x plus 4. We have one expression on either side, and they're both being said to be equal to each other, so this is an equation. For C, we have 6 times 2 plus 1. There is no equal sign here, it's just a series of operators on certain terms, so this is in fact an expression. And finally for D, we have 8 plus 5y. Again, this is not being said to be equal to anything else, so this is also an expression. Okay, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.